How to set up auto payments on Amazon Visa signature card. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can set up auto payment on Amazon Visa signature card. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, head over to the login page of Amazon card, and once you're here, make sure that you're signed in. Enter your user ID, password, and make sure to log in into your account. So once you're logged in, navigate to the menu bar at the top. From the menu bar, you have to click on the options as payments. You will see a drop down after that. From there, select the second option that says manage auto pay. Once you do that, now you will land on this page where you have to select your payment method and the other option. So you have to click on the checkbox that says the payment method or minimum payment, and once you're done with that, make sure that you also add your payment amount. Scroll down a bit, there you will find an option as Set Up Auto Payment. So click on Set Up Auto Pay. After that, you will see that your auto pay has been set up in your Amazon Visa signature card. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.